Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Neha English Hub. How are you friends? I think all are doing well. I am also doing amazing. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to think in English. Many English learners says I know grammar, I understand English, but when I try to speak English, my mind goes blank and automatically they think only in their native language. So, what is the reason behind this and how can we overcome this? If this is happened to you, so don't worry, this is the normal. We can overcome this fear and the hesitation. How can they remove this hesitation? So now we talk about on English language, not in your native language. So uh, from today, you should start thinking only in English language directly. When we translate in a native language and we translate again in the English language, so this process becoming slow and we get hesitate to speaking in this language. So, what is the solution of this? You should also think in English language. For example, that मैं भूखा हूँ. Instead of think in your native language, try to think in English. I am hungry. This process really help you to improve your English language and think in English. It is really effective to communicate your building your skills very well. So just try to speak. The second step, try to talk about yourself in English. Make some small sentences as a daily routine, and it is really help you to improve your communication skill. For example, I am happy today. I got up today 5 o'clock. I'm very busy nowadays. Just like make this type of sentences, and really it is helpful to you to your communication skills and describe the things. Is anything in front of you, just mobile, just mirror, and any object, you can describe it and record it. It is really helpful to you to build your communication skill. So just try these methods, so it will increase your level with the simple English. Simple English is the very powerful, and in this way you can improve day by day your communication skill and add some vocabulary after communicating with the person. If and your final step is English, you to make the part of the English in your daily routine. Just watch some English podcast, listen to the songs, listen any conversation video. It is really helpful to you to build the thoughts in your mind. If your mind full of the thoughts, so easily you can speak in. Remember, the more you think in English, the more you become confident in this language. So start today, be practice every day, speak a little every day with the recording. Keep going on the practicing always. So if this video really helpful for you, so please like, share and follow and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.